Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to what might just be the most scuffed video you have ever seen in your life. The lighting, horrible. The product, fantastic. Today we are unboxing the Sneak Blizzard V4 drop. We've got big dirty box of goodies to get stuck into, so let's just get stuck right in. Love a delivery day. First we have the beanie, which was honestly one of the main things I was excited about trying to get a wee stretch out. Pop this tag right off and then we'll give it a little try on. There we are, nice grey colour with the Blizzard bunny up in the side there. It's a little bit tight, but I think it's because it's new. It's longer at the back than I was expecting. Gives me some head breathing room, I suppose would be the term to use. Next we have, we've got a sneak peek there. The Blizzard Bunny ice cube tray. Now that is so trippy that those look like they're coming out because that's the side that goes in. But I'm excited to make some Blizzard Bunny ice cubes to pop in my Blizzard V4, and it's nicely textured square tub. Very excited to give this a try. I've actually got a shakery water sitting there that I've had waiting all day just for this bad boy, so I'm going to pause this video again and I'm going to mix it up and we're going to give it a little taste test as well. And there is one last thing I wanted to say just before I get into the taste test. It's the attention to detail, like the lid design, and even the fact, what is it, what do I do with it? It's a square scoop to go with the square tub. I think that's genius and I love it. I'll just screw the lid back on. And this tub is so nice. It's like it's been carved for ice. It's so pretty. Look at that. Lighting in here is awful. This video will not see the light of day. Maybe it might. Probably will. Let's get a little taste. Oh, that is lemony. That is so good. It's like somebody's walking up to you and they're just smacking you in the mouth with a lemon. That is fantastic. And then last but not least we have get the box out of here, they need that in there. The Sneak Blizzard hoodie. A wee flavour on it. So we've got the type logo at the front there. And then we've got nice X's on the sleeves that are like snowy. And we've got the Blizzard snowflake on the side, and then on the back, the pièce de résistance. We've got the big old Blizz Bunny himself. Check him out. He's well sick. So I'm going to pause this again. We're going to slap the hoodie on. Feels a bit thinner than the start today, which is strange because it's a wintry type of day, but we'll see how it feels on. So this is it on. It feels pretty comfy, it feels pretty good. It is a bit thinner than the start today, but it has something that the start today doesn't, and that is a hood that is a normal shape. The start today hood, it's like a square. But this could be my new daily hood in here, so the sleeve design's a wee bit better. So yeah, all in all, the only thing that I missed was the shaker, and got everything else. But honestly, because I got the 2022 white metal shaker recently, I don't feel like I'm missing out too much. But yeah, all in all, I think the Sneak Blizzard V4 drop, especially the flavour, is amazing. Apparently it's the same as last year's, so if you got last year's then you're not missing out on anything apart from maybe the beanies which sold out in 5 minutes, and the hoodies, which are now also sold out. The beanies are coming back in 4 to 6 weeks. So I don't have a code to use, but I have a referral link if you want to make a sneak account and get started on your sneak journey. And don't forget to use code DROCK at checkout to help out those lovely guys. DROCK has been nothing but incredible to me since I found his community, and I wouldn't be doing videos like this if it weren't for him. So massive shout out to D. I'll see you all in the next one.